Hey, what's up everybody? Did you know that 96,000 people move to Las Vegas every single year? The question is why? Well, due to the Fed's interest rate hikes have increased the cost of living for many Americans across the country. Americans are now looking to relocate to Las Vegas because of no state income tax, low unemployment, low cost of living, and affordability for housing. We're also the entertainment capital of the world. So if you are thinking about relocating to Las Vegas, we would like to offer you a free Southern Nevada market report and a relocation guide. All you have to do is click on that link below to claim yours today. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So I'm back here in the master plan community of Summerlin. So the neighborhood that I'm in is called Incline. The builder is actually a Pulte. Now we just got done touring the garden gate and the park line here. Now this is a guard gated community that consists of about 561 homes. They do have a clubhouse that's about 12,000 square feet. So this model right here is the Geno model. Now the Geno model, what comes standard is a single story level that is 2,656 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 3-car garage den option with the flex room. So I'm going to show you all the structural upgrades and options. Here, this is a 2-car garage that is attached to the house that takes you through the kitchen. Then we also have a single car right here. This is not attached to the house. Now you have 3 different elevations to pick and choose from. Okay, your HOAs in this neighborhood here with the master plan will be $320 a month. So this is more of a desert modern style, beautiful pavers. And then we're gonna go into the quality control build. I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on here in the garage. Love the fact that Pulte will do that. Okay, on this one, it looks like we do have solar panels. Okay, pre-wired, it's already installed right here. Here's your breaker for it. Here's your demarc right here, your power box. Then we also have the Trex system, rain burst system here as well. Looks like we're missing a couple plants here. It has been pretty hot here in Las Vegas, so a lot of the trees are dying, including mine, which is a bummer. Got this Japanese privet that I paid, I think, $2,600, and it is dead. So I had to contact our landscaper today and gonna have to get that installed, which is a bummer. On this one here, you do have a courtyard that has 2 steps. Now, a lot of the stuff that you've seen here will be an upgrade. All right, folks. And this home right here is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you what it looks like in the inside. This is definitely more like a Hollywood type of glam style. You got your keypad here. All right, let's go inside here. Okay. So let's take you guys inside. It's a completely open floor plan. I mean, look how gorgeous this is. Now, like I said, there's tons of upgrades, folks. Now, the price on here is going to start you off at $1,275,990. Okay. So just kind of give you the layout here. Our 2-car garage. Then we have our pantry over here. Then our half bath for our guest. We have our flex space. Then we have our primary here. Then we have our 2 bedrooms down on this side. So let's start off where we're going to start off first. Give me just a second. Throw us a little bit dry, so I'm going to get something to drink here. Give me a second. I'll get hydrated. Okay. You know what? Let's start off with the primary first. Okay. So we got 12-foot ceilings here. Coming into the primary, 12 with a tray ceiling. We got distribute sounds. I mean, take a look how gorgeous this is. Here we would actually just have a window, but this is a 9 by 10-foot slide that takes us out to the back. This kind of gives you an idea of what your backyard could actually look like. Now, the pool requirement is 600 square feet, okay? That's surface. So you can go deep as you want. So these are solid cabinets here. This is more of the espresso cabinets, urban effects, soft closing cabinet. Obviously, we do have some marble cladding, some beautiful sconset lighting. And look at this book match. Not bad. Wow, I love that tile in the back there. But take a look at these beautiful pendant lighting. It's gorgeous, right? Now, coming into the bathroom, this is actually wood right here, engineering flooring, okay, tongue and groove. However, we have a threshold here because the tile is actually thicker. So this is a structural upgrade. I love this picture window here. So typically along here, you would have your walk-in shower. This would be gone, okay? Your toilet would actually be over here, right? Then you would have a vanity here and a vanity on this side, okay? Pretty large water closet. We got orange peel texture, straight edge on the cornering here. Again, we have so much cladding with all this beautiful tile. And I love the fact that they use this black Schluter here, make this window pop. In addition to that, because this is orange peel texture, they actually added some wood here, which is, love that nice finish here. They did a really good job. You got black fixtures, hardware throughout. We've got quartz. This is not a zero threshold. However, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different panels. You got the bench seat. Here, you can see the problem with this is it actually stains with the calcium buildout. You better have a soft water system, and especially with these fixtures here, because you're going to see a lot of that calcium buildup. And the problem with this type of surface is that you can't take one of those Brillo pads and start scrubbing this. You're going to ruin the surface of this. So technically, this really should not be in here unless you have soft water. This is not the right material for it. Now, the way that this is designed, you actually lose some space because that's your toilet here. If your toilet went back on the other side, you had the vanity right here, you would get that additional space right there. Right above here, we do have all our components, which is really nice. It looks like you have, for your surround sounds, amplifier right there. You do have the Smurf tube and also your outlet. Our attic access is right above. This would be hers. Again, I love these pendant lighting. They did a really good job. Feels very glamorous. I mean, they did a lot of upgrades on this one. So for the Geo, I think out of all the models so far, this is my favorite model. We have a thermostat here. It's programmable to your phone. Now coming into the main living area, and I love the 12-foot ceilings here. I think these are 12, that's 10. Yeah, it should be 12-foot ceilings. So high, and look at the control joints here. I mean, it felt like the control joints should be cleaned up a little bit more. Looks like you got some mud in between it. Now, typically here with this slider, you would actually, stock and standard, you would actually have a window here, but comes with the slide here on this side. But this is definitely something that you need to do. Also, with this type of flooring here, because it's so dark, what I don't like about it is you're going to be able to see every little smudge and dirt. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. So it does come with the pavers here. You do have an option for the fireplace and a stackable stone. You got the puck lights, distribute sounds, and also the pre-wire. This is just here for now, just for the model. But this gives you an idea of what your backyard could look like. Definitely gorgeous. The lot sizes here are roughly about 6,500 square feet and up. And these slides, pretty good. Nice and smooth. Feels like the track is clean. I'm gonna have to push it a little bit. The door gets a little bit heavy. Now, one thing with the kitchen I would have done was add some LED lights underneath the toe kick, and also probably above the cabinets and the undermount as well for your light rail. Now, you do have the option to do the waterfall here. Decent sized island. Cabinets are 42 shaker cabinets with a double stack, and it looks like we have an 8-inch crown to finish it off. Now, your cabinets should end right about here, but it looks like they took it all the way to the end, which is great. These are all urban effects. We got the dovetails, undermounted glides, soft closing cabinets. "48-inch range. This is a upgrade. Love the fact that we have a window here as well. Now, this is all programmable here. Digital, I'm sorry. And this is a signature, which is their upgraded package appliance. Beautiful hood. I mean, look at that. Look at that burner. This is roughly about $8,000 just for this option, but the builder is obviously going to charge you more. We have a stain-resistant sink undermounted. Mullen fixtures. On this one, we have our garbage disposal button here on the side. I don't know if you guys prefer it on the top with the push button. We have a built-in refrigerator, which is really nice. Additional storage. Then one of the options you can do is the refrigerator here as well. Now, this is a pretty decent size pantry, so I like that. And I feel like we need a second refrigerator because this home just feels so elegant. All this would just be open. I definitely would add cabinets here and a sconset lighting. Laundry room is not as large. However, you would have to do the structural options as far as the plumbing. You would have to add a sink, cabinets, backsplash, and also your cabinets as well. Washer and dryer are not included. Coming into the guest bathroom. They did a really good job. Beautiful home though. What a piece of artwork. All right, so let's head this way here. So we have a linear fireplace. All this right here would be a structural upgrade. So this is a cladding that they did, right? This is one whole piece. This is a 6x12 or a 5x12 on this one. So this would actually be a den or an option for flex space. Here it would actually be drywall up here. I don't even know if they offer this glass here or not. Typically, builders won't do that. However, you can just do this, open it up, and to save costs, reach on out to my girl, Nicole. She will be able to do the glass for you for Glass Vegas. Great company. It's a company that we definitely do endorse. I mean, look at this office space. Wow. Love the color of the lights, too. It just feels just like warm. Now, I never really loved this soft white, but the soft white color of the lights with the dark cabinets, you have some white, some blacks. It just really blends together. It gives that Hollywood glam feel. All right, so down here we have the other two bedrooms. Coat closet. We got a bedroom here with a Jack and Jill, and then we have your linen closet. I'll show you down this hallway here. So we also have our return line, jumper duct here, then our two returns. We have another thermostat here. Decent sized bedroom for sure. Let's take a look at the walk-in closet. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna see if I can start my car because I'm about to end this video. Start cooling it, you know, before you jump in the car. That's what you got to do here in Vegas. You need one of those push starts. Best thing ever. I don't know, what's your thoughts so far about this house? Oh, I love this bedroom, how it's laid out. Definitely utilize the space very well. Closet, we're not gonna go in there. All right, let's go back down to the living room area. I mean, this thing's just gorgeous. Literally, this is a piece of artwork. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, if you guys don't have a real estate agent, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business, okay? Give me a call. I will have a link in the description below with my telephone number. If you happen to call Simply Vegas, make sure to ask for Chakits directly. They will dispatch you over to me immediately, and I'm not too busy to take your call, so call me. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.